Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import videos or pictures from A6300. This thing right here. Yeah, this thing right here. So first of all, what we're going to do is mostly your camera is off. So turn it on. Alright. Turn it on and go to the settings menu right here. Hit that button right there. And you see how he brought the settings. Go right here. This is what we see. So we want to go right here at the very end, this little end tool. So let's go all the way there. Now wait, no, I don't think it's that one. Yep, it's this one right here. And then go to the fourth right here. Okay, this is where we want to be. So first of all, get into the menu, and then you come all the way to this end button. I don't know what it is. Yeah, the end button. And then scroll down and then go to 4. Excuse me. And then scroll down to the USB connection. Now press that. You see how he has auto? We wanna switch that to mass storage or MTP. You know, either this one, the mass storage, or the MTP works. So you choose whichever one you want. So I choose the mass storage. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna plug this thing to my computer. And then get this USB little thing. You guys know about this charge, the international Android whatever. Yeah, so get this right here and plug it into your camera. Plug it into this area right here. So oh no, this one right here, this one right here. No, yeah, this first one. I'm sorry guys, I was looking through the camera. Alright guys, when you plug it, this is what comes right here. See, mass storage. So now you're going into your computer. You already popped the files up. So what you want to do, you want to go Finder, or if it's Windows, I don't know, you want to go, I don't know where you go for Windows, but for me, since I got like the Mac, I just go here and then I try to find it where it is. So as you can see, it's these ones right here. See it? Press the untitled and then come right here. Now let's check which one. See that is definitely not that one, but go to private, M4 root, and then here on clip, press that one. Now see, you'll see all your files right there. See, you'll see all your files right there. Now you can just copy all of that, just copy all of them, and then paste it wherever you wanna, whichever document you wanna put it in. So again guys, this is easy, but man, it took me a long time to figure these things out guys, because I thought, you know, the easy way was to take the whatever the USB thing is, oh, the memory card, and then plug it into my computer, and then press on the memory card, but then it will not show anything. So, but this is the easy way. You know, when you know, like when the videos are going to your document, it's gonna take a little longer, but at least it's importing into the computer. So hey guys, thank you for watching these videos. If you got any questions, just comment, and don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button too if you like this video or if it helped. Thank you guys. Bye.